Hi friends, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, I'm Nana. I'm the creator behind Brushpens, and I've been working on this letter variations from few days now. So I hope you've seen the letter A, B and C, and today we are doing the letter D. I'm just doing the real-time lettering here just to show you the complete process of making these letters, and I hope you will enjoy this video. All the products used today is mentioned below, so check that out. And if you're interested in these practice sheets, they are available in the description. I will link them below. I designed them. They are on Etsy and also on my website. Or you can simply follow along freehand. You're gonna be just fine. Just practice the strokes with me, see where the thicks and thins are, and we can do this together. I think there are so many possibilities in this letter D. It's a beautiful letter and I love flourishing, so I've tried to mix some flourishing with some simple Ds, and it's kind of like a combination of everything, which I really like. And again, as I always say, there are many other possibilities that you can draw this letter, but these are some of the ones that stood out to me and I really like them. But you can go ahead and experiment and make your own Ds in your own style. I think that'll be really cool. And don't forget to go nice and slow, no pressure whatsoever. The only pressure you'll apply here is on your downstrokes. And also let me know, what do you think about this series? Are you enjoying it? Do you want me to go fast here? Just make the videos a bit faster, because here I'm showing you real time. But if you think this works fine, then let me know that as well. That will be really helpful for my future videos. And not all letters will be how you wanted them to be, and that's okay. Practicing will be the only way to have more control on your hands and the pens and the pressure. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys next time with the letter E. This has been fun so far. What do you think? I'm enjoying sharing all the lettering variations with you. I hope you're doing the same. And I will come back with another video very soon. Have a great day and take care of yourself.